Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is commutativity property of chapter 1 rational number on page number 5. First, whole numbers. Commutativity property you were studying in standard 5-6 where meaning of it's a plus b is equal to b plus a. It means, for example, 2 plus 3 is 5, then 3 plus 2 is also 5. Whole numbers. Recall the commutativity of different operations for whole numbers by filling the following table. For addition, 0 plus 7 is 7 and 7 plus 0 is also 7. Now 2 plus 3, think that 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 is also 5. So for any two whole numbers, suppose that a and b are whole numbers, then a plus b or b plus a are both, sum of both are remain same. This is remarks in addition is commutativity. In subtraction, negative numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. Subtraction is not commutativity because when we subtract 3 minus 2, answer is 1, and when you subtract 3 from 2 means 2 minus 3, the answer is minus 1. 1 and minus 1 both are not equal. 1 is not equal to minus 1. So subtraction is not commutative. Now in multiplication is commutative because when you multiply 2 by 3, clear that 2, 3 are two examples of integers or whole numbers. Here we are reading string topic whole number, and 2 and 3 both are whole numbers, and 2 3 are 6, and also when you multiply 3 by 2, the answer is product is also 6. So multiplication is commutative. Last point, division. Division is not commutative because if you multiply by 6 divide by 2, the answer is 3, and when you divide by 2 divide by 6, the answer is 1 by 3. 3 and 1 by 3 both are not a same number. 3 and 1 by 3 is a fraction and a 1/3. It means they both are not equal. So we can say that division is not commutative. Now next is integers. Fill in the following table and check the commutativity of different operations for integers. Now integers, it means whole numbers are positive from 0 to infinitely, endless number, and in integers they have both. In addition, if suppose that positive and negative, so addition is commutative. In subtraction, 5 minus 3 or minus 3 minus 5, no, subtraction is not commutative. It will answer are same as in whole numbers. In multiplication, so look at multiplication is commutative as in whole number, and in division is not commutative as in whole numbers. They are not following. Now point third, rational numbers. In addition, you know how to add two rational numbers. Let us a few pairs here. You will know very well when we add in rational numbers with the help of LCM. You have studied that earlier. Minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. The answer is 1 by 21. And if you add plus 5 by 7 plus minus 2 by 3, the answer is remains same, 1 by 21. Because this is follow the commutative property for addition. You multiply in this order a plus b or in this order b plus a, the answer remains same, a plus b or b plus a, the answer sum remain same in condition, in addition condition. So we can say that in addition is commutative for rational number. In subtraction, as whole number it is not follow, because when you subtract 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 or equal to minus plus 5 by 3 minus 2 by 3, the answer is not same. So we can say that subtraction is not commutative for integers. The solution is from LCM, and it is follow that whole numbers, property of whole numbers. In addition and multiplication they are follow, and in subtraction and division they are not follow. In multiplication, when you multiply like minus 7 by 3 into 6 by 3, the answer is 7 6 ja 42 plus minus minus, and 3 5 ja 15. Or the same 6 by 5 into minus 7 3, again 6 7 ja 42 plus minus minus, and 5 3 ja 15. The answer product remain same in multiplication. So we can say that multiplication is commutative for rational numbers, where in general formula a into b is equal to b into a for any two rational numbers a and b. Last, division. Minus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7 is divided by minus 4 5 by 4 question mark. No, they are not equal. The answer of both are different, because division is not commutative for rational numbers. We have earlier read study of topic whole numbers, so understand that. Now complete the table in your notebook with the pencil. Try this. Okay, thank you.